That was a short video. So here we've established the sconce in there. I'm going to come in and I'm going to remove that light, that light, 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 copy and paste a new one over. Okay, and probably do another one here. I think I'll replace my chair with bar stool. Let's see, let's look for something really cute. I'm going to try this. Antique. Not many. So that, whoa, what is that? It's interesting. These are some interesting little bar stool. That have no color. And color those in a bit, like we did the other chair. And, duplicate a couple. All right. So I'm going to show you one more interesting little thing here. I'm going to replace my mirrors with some posters. So I'm going to File, Insert, and I can insert a file here. This place, I'm going to my computer and find a JPEG that I've had in the past, that I've found online somewhere, or here we go. And I just pulled that one off from online somewhere, and I'm gonna put it in my bar. And it took a little while for it to do it, and it's skipping around until so I laid it down, tried to lay it down. It's a pretty big JPEG. Okay, I'm going to click. Left click and see it do. Now it's sideways. I may be interested in moving it. Get a little better perspective on this. In this case, I'm going to do it from over here. I've got to get around so that I can get an angle on it to move it. I don't necessarily want to move it that direction. I want to move it in another direction. And so I've got a better angle directly from the edge. It's kind of cool. So now I actually use the rotate tool. Click on that and click on it. Drag it out and then turn the whole thing 90 degrees. Right. I want to move around so I can get another angle on it. Rotate tool again. From the top is the blue. I can rotate it that direction. So it's parallel to the wall. And now the tricky thing is trying to move it to through the wall, right, into the bar. It's still pretty big. I'll adjust the size of it in a minute, but dragging it down, put it to the bar here along the red line. All right.